Bonjour! Bonjour!
Hi, and welcome to our channel. I'm Kim, and together with my husband Angelo, our two Sphinx cats, and our chickens, we are moving to France. We now live temporarily in a renting house in the Netherlands. We have sold our house after living there for almost 20 years. We paid off our mortgage, and we are now on our way to find a homestead in France. As we transition from one house to the other, we will take you with us in this journey. Bonjour, and welcome to another video about our journey to our French homestead. To tick off our to-do list, one of them is the moving of our chickens. They will spend some time staying with friends while we are busy packing and moving to our homestead. The chicken coop is also going to our friend's place. We made this ourselves a year ago with leftovers from wood and doors. We decided to use this coop so the chickens will still have some recognition of their home and familiar surroundings to sleep in. And I'm sure Mimi and Yvette will like this. Our friends have never kept chickens before, and we have prepared them along the way by giving them all our knowledge and tips we've gathered last 1.5 years. What they like to eat and what you shouldn't give them to eat. Now we just need to get the chickens into the car. Luckily that works with a piece of sausage, but still they know something is going to happen. That escape attempt will not work, Yvette. Mimi and Yvette have been together since birth, and we also brought them together. They are inseparable from each other and they are real besties. Meanwhile, while we have put it on the trailer and are on our way, the finishing touches are being put on the new enclosure at our friend's house. It's a beautiful day, and with a little sunshine and no rain, we hit the road. As it is a big coop, to get it through the doorway, we have to take off the roof. Just a little more landscaping to do, some tree logs and decorating, and they will be fine. To get them used to it, we put the chickens in the coop and let them come out. I think our friends will like it a lot. I begin to wonder if the chickens will eventually want to come us to friends. We use an omelette door opener that lets the chicken out of the coop in the morning and also closes in the evening. Just set it to the right time and they can wake up tomorrow morning in a new environment. And no hustle for our friends to get up early. By the looks of it, they like it. They're already going to look for bugs and find water. In any case, we have ticked another item from our to-do list. Now we just need to put our furniture in storage, sign at the notary for selling our house, and temporarily furnish our rental house. And then the big move to France is in sight. If you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in our next videos. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.